Hi, this is the Realme 11 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the control panel and you'll see here a couple of different applications. If you want to add here more apps or remove some of them or just to change the positions of the icons, you should click here to these three dots, then tap to edit titles, and you'll see here these green pluses on which you could just click to add these options to your panel. To remove them from here by the same way, click to the red minuses. To just reset the changes, click to reset, or to save the changes, just click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.